If you want to convert your HEIF or HEIC photos to JPEG on your iPhone 16e, first of all, open up your photos. After that, locate the photo which you would want to convert. Find this information icon here. So make sure that it is in your HEIF. Now let's tap on the share icon. It looks like this. And here we have to choose on the options right here near one photo selected. Let's choose it. Now choose the format, let's choose most compatible, and let's press done at the top right corner. Great. Now we have to press save to files, save it to downloads, or basically to anywhere you want to. I'll save it to downloads. Now press save at the top right corner, and let's try and find this photo. Here is our files, here is our photo, right? And if we're gonna all right, great, there it is. So let's find out the information on it. Get info, and as you see, it's saved in JPEG. So success. That's how you do this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.